Hello everyone, welcome to the Brick Boat Championship for 2018. The third race of today's tournament is Darth Vader vs Captain America. Who would ever thought that we could witness a battle like this? The race has begun. Darth Vader chooses the right side, and Captain America goes from the left side. Darth Vader uses a strong current from the stream, while the Captain America is trying to find a way to catch up with his opponent. Now Captain America is closing the gap, but Darth Vader is also trying to make a space behind. Darth Vader is opening the gap again as he uses his red lightsaber to end this game. Darth Vader is winning his race against Captain America. The race has been decisive from its beginning. Darth Vader had enough margin behind and secured his victory.